Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out, I was going to take the bike, but I'm not. I'm going to take my truck. And the reason why is because I want to bring my wife, I want to bring my kids, and we got a couple stuff that we got to do. But we're going to go to a place that is really important. It's really important to remember people that have, you know, done the ultimate sacrifice. I know Memorial Weekend is coming and things like that. But here in my county, we have the Flagler County Sheriff's Office Fallen Officers Memorial. And essentially, it's going to be a place where we're going to go and we're going to be able to pay respect to those police officers that have, you know, done the ultimate sacrifice for our community. People that are willing to every single day put their life at risk for really not too much money to protect us. I don't care what the media tells you. Our cops do a great job, and every single day they go out there to protect us, and I appreciate that. I really, really do. So with that being said, let's go. Ready to eat some McDonald's?
Yeah.
Manny. Say hi, buddy.
What are you calling?
I'm talking to a camera.
No, what are you calling?
Welcome all to the Flagler County Sheriff's Office Annual Fallen Officers Memorial. You're all standing. Please stand and join me as Chaplain Juan Shembri leads us with the invocation.
Let us remember that you came to earth and showed us what true love looks like. You taught us that love is about sacrifice, virtue, and service.
Man, what a beautiful day. I'm curious to know how many of you guys actually ride to work. If you ride to work almost on a daily basis, or, you know, a lot, let me know down in the comment section below. Also, let me know what you do. Is there something that you do? Things that you bring? You know, a backpack, or maybe you have a trunk like I do now. Maybe you have saddlebags or something. Just let me know down in the comment section below. Obviously, this is another day than how we started this motorcycle vlog, which was at, you know, the memorial for police officers. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I started watching that and I started, you know, looking at what I was seeing. I recorded a couple different clips just so you guys could see it, right? It wasn't really meant for you guys to see everything. It was just primarily meant to record some clips and kind of give you an idea, right? And I'm gonna tell you, if you're from Flagler County, go and visit next time. You know, they do it every year.
And it's just so amazing. It's amazing to see people, you know, remember those that have, you know, gave everything to protect our community. Obviously, me coming from a military background and actually military police as well is one of those things that I appreciate, and I kind of understand, you know, that it takes a lot, and it's just one of those things that it kind of affected me, to tell you the truth. As I was watching everything, and as I was watching the whole thing, I noticed that it was a cop that was, you know, he was about to play taps, and it really affected me. And again, it's just one of those things that sometimes things happen that remind you of things that happen if it don't make any sense, and next thing you know, it just becomes emotional. It kind of became emotional for me, but you know what? It was a great thing. I brought my wife, I brought my children, and I love that my children get to see that, because I'm going to tell you, I'm raising kids. I'm the kind of father, you know, family, me and my wife, obviously, that we love this country. We really do. We love everything we stand for. We love everything we have. We are not a perfect nation, but I'm going to tell you, we are as close as any other nation out there could dream to be like we are. I've been in many countries, you know, Iraq, Afghanistan, Japan, Turkey, Spain. I have witnessed a lot in my life, and I'm going to tell you right now, this country, people think it's not perfect. Nothing is perfect, right? Only Christ himself is perfect. Everything has room to improvement, but this is an amazing nation. This is a nation of law, a nation where if you work hard enough, you can buy things that you need. This is a nation that you could live a great life if you work for it. It's biblical, guy. The government doesn't owe you anything. You have to work for what you have. And the thing about all that I just said, you know, is that we have a beautiful military that continues to protect those rights that we have. And then we have a local law enforcement, and we have our, you know, first responders and things like that. You know, first responders that are there, even people that work at the jail, keeping us safe, you know, making sure that our communities are safe, that our children go to school in a safe environment. I mean, everything. So when you see guys that have done the ultimate sacrifice and have died because they want to protect our community, I mean, that's just amazing. You know, the Bible says, it speaks about that greater love. Somebody that is willing to lay their life to protect their neighbor. And I'm paraphrasing a little bit, but again, it's just amazing to see that. And I was glad that I was able to bring my children, especially my children. My wife loves this country, but especially my children, to see that. So anyways, if you have the chance to, you know, say things to someone out there, you know, be kind. It feels like nowadays everybody wants to be mean. Let's be kind to one another. And you know, if you have the chance to go to a memorial, no memorials coming out, we're going to talk about it a little bit more in other videos. But if you have the chance, do it. Because I tell you, especially if you have children, let them see what it takes. You know, it feels like nowadays we want to follow criminals' examples when we have to follow examples of people that really truly know how to love. Anyways, what do you guys think? Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.